Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I'm happy to welcome you back to the channel, and hopefully you have entered the contest. If it's still going, there's an expiration date of when the contest is over at the bottom of the video for the contest. But 4 years is a long time to be doing makeup and unboxing stuff. And today I'm going to do a look with the Natasha Denona Yucca palette. I've only used it one other time, so by gum, it's beautiful. I should be using it all the time. And it is kind of, for me, like more of a fall palette because of all the olive tones and stuff. But let's get in here and make something pretty happen. Right here. Pretty eyes, pretty eyes, pretty eyes, hooded eyes. I have the hooded eyes, which is fine. And this is like a shifty duochrome. And this is a little gold shift to this green. But I'm going to start with, it's hard to choose. I'm going to start with, what the hell does that say? IXIA. Ooh, look at that. That's pungent. That is a pigmented color. You know, I was going to return this, but I kept it too long. So, and not that there was anything wrong with it or bad or anything. I just wanted to, I didn't want to keep it, but since I'm keeping my baby, I sang that the other day a lot in my video. But since I'm keeping it, I should use it until I'm ready to sell it on Mercari, which I love selling stuff on Mercari. I'll try to put the link down below. I've got a lot of cool stuff there. Makeup, mostly makeup and skincare. So you can't really go wrong with that. I'm going to go into something beautiful in green. I think I'm going to go into citrine right here. This is going to make my green eyes pop. So beautiful. It's a nice matte. The other one was a matte also. I don't want it to look like a bruise, but we're just playing around, having fun with color. As long as it doesn't look like some kind of fucked up bruise, I'm good. You know, that's not much of a standard, but, you know, it's good to have standards. It looks jazzy with my purple hair. Super fly, funky, fresh. I want to go a little bit darker. I should go into this brown for my outside corner. Nice chocolatey brown. Ooh, nice and pigmented. Like everything else in this palette, it's super cool. Ooh, it's nice. I need to buff that out. Let's get a buffing brush. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Looks kind of mossy, kind of crazy. I'm going to go into Plantasia here, which is a multi-chrome. Put that on the lid with my old fingertip. That looks pretty dang cool. super shimmery. Looks good. I'm trying to close my shirt in my palette. Let's do some black eyeliner. I'm going to blend this out a little bit more. Black eyeliner, and I'll be almost done with the Super Matte Stay Ink lip that will be coming soon. I will use this Slay All Day liner from Stila. Nice. It's so hard to talk and put eyeliner on. But this is what you do when you have hooded eyes. You do a little tiny wing to help balance out the eye. And it looks super cute. Now I'm going to use some mascara, some IT Superhero mascara, which I love. The mini seems to be better than the full size, which is kind of crazy. But it's the truth. And I plan on wearing all black tonight, or black shirt and jean shorts or something. I'm going to karaoke. I don't think I said that. Even though my knee is garbage, I can get up there for a minute or two. Have some fun with my karaoke friends. It's a good thing to do. I feel so fresh. Exciting. And I got this nice poof going on the top of my head, which is fancy schmancy. Now, as far as lip goes, I'm going to have to do something. I don't have a lot of neutrally lippies. I've got You Under My Spell. I was watching some Halloween haul videos today. 'Tis the season to be hauling. La 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 la. I will use this dark ass lipstick, which is Voyager number 50 from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. Better pull it out. Oh, it's a mess. Close enough for rock and roll. It looks good enough. So that's it. I'm done. I'm definitely keeping this for a while because it's beautiful. This is the Natasha Denona Yucca palette. This is Rhonda saying see you later. Thanks for getting ready with me.